Hello fellow entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts. Today's video is tailor-made for you. We're tackling a pivotal choice between the classic cash register versus the advanced point of sale system. So I'm excited to guide you through this journey, and hopefully by the end of the video, you'll be able to make a sound decision on which one is right for your business. Okay, let's begin with the foundation. The old reliable cash register. This is a time-tested tool that handles transactions seamlessly, tallying up items, calculating totals, and accepting all kinds of payments. Cash registers really shine because it's a simple setup with fewer transactions and uncomplicated inventory tracking needs. Now let's leap into the world of the point of sale systems where the possibilities are endless. Unlike cash registers, point of sale systems are your business's command center. They handle payments, yes, but what they really do is they supercharge your entire operations. Now, once you decide to upgrade to a full point of sale system, you really get some cool features that you just don't get with the regular cash register. Things like inventory management, detailed sales insights, and my favorite is QuickBooks accounting software, which allows you to really run your whole operation from a single point of sale system. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. So let's explain why cash registers might be ideal. They're simple, affordable, easy to set up, require minimal training, and they're really the go-to for small businesses with limited needs. If you're a business on a cozy corner, then the cash register just might be the right companion for you. In my opinion, the point of sale system does bring a wealth of benefits to the table. And if you're looking for a great starter, you might want to consider the Clover point of sale system. It's a really user-friendly system that offers features like barcode scanning and integration with online stores. Utilizing the Clover system could result in cost savings when compared to other companies that incorporate their fixed expenses into an elevated flat rate structure. Opting for Clover also enables you to have access to cost-plus programs for your payment processing, leading to significant financial savings. Now, when making the decision, consider your business's size, budget, transaction complexity, and growth aspirations. A cash register is great for startups, but if you're gearing up for expansion, the point of sale system with like Clover could be the right launch pad for your business. To wrap it up, the choice between cash registers and point of sale systems isn't one to take lightly. Tailor your decision based on your business's unique needs, and if you're venturing into the world of point of sale systems, the Clover point of sale can be an excellent starting point. If this video hit the mark, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more great content. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, steer your business towards prosperity. Thanks.